everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Umkhokha from the 3rd to the 7th of July 2023 on Monday. Difa reveals a secret to Mabusi. Manzimande finally takes the hotline with Kulegani so that he can fix his own ways. Zodwa has regrets over a moment of passion on Tuesday. Mam Zobe and Zodwa reconcile, but Difa's heart hardens. Siphamandla's fate is unknown after a fierce disciplinary hearing. Umkhokha reveals the Kulegani shenanigans on Wednesday. Zodwa and Difa cross a line that they will never be able to uncross. Mlungisi takes a drastic decision against Siphamandla. Umkhokha gives Kulegani a piece of her mind on this thing. Mam Zobe almost catches Zodwa and Difa in his room. Mlungisi tells Siphamandla he won't be paid to revive the Respect Church. Umkhokha moves back into the Mthembu home on Friday. It's a roller coaster for Difa and the two women in his life. Manzimande isn't happy about Siphamandla and Mabusi's decisions. Mlungisi isn't interested in real Mkhululi duties while embarrassing Sibusiso in front of the girl he likes. Well, guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.